Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to see the recipe for crunchy chicken strips or KFC style strips. Before we go into the video any further, please excuse my bad throat guys. Now for this recipe, I've taken one chicken breast. It was approximately 250 grams and I've cut it up into really thin strips, about finger width strips. Add in quarter cup of milk and one egg. Now the quantity of egg and milk remain the same for up to 500 grams of chicken. Then 1 teaspoon chili powder and half a teaspoon garlic powder and a bit less than that ginger powder and half teaspoon salt. Add in all these, give it a good mix and set it aside for like 15 minutes to marinate. Now for the coating mix, take half cup of maida with 1/3 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of pepper and a bit of salt. Now if you don't have these garlic powder and ginger powder, don't fret, just add ginger garlic paste to the chicken marinade. Now heat up some oil for frying the chicken and start coating the marinated chicken pieces. There are some things to remember while coating it. The chicken pieces should be dry and they should be white in color when you drop them in oil. If there is excessive marinade, the coating will become mushy. If that happens, after you fry the chicken, it won't remain crispy for a long time. You'll not need to fry the chicken pieces more than 4 or 5 minutes because they are very small pieces. At the end of 4 minutes on medium high, you can crank the heat up fully before removing it from the oil. That way the chicken strips won't have too much oil inside them. At this point you can toss it with chili flakes or oregano or customize it the way you want. We enjoyed it with some ketchup and chili garlic sauce. This is a very kid friendly recipe. You can reduce the amount of heat in it by reducing the chili powder or the pepper powder. Do let me know guys after trying this if you like the recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Once again, I'm very sorry about my voice. Bye guys. Take care.